let's go. So we're looking at Eurgbp today. Now, this is a little different to what I would normally do because Eurgbp actually is a bull market when we look at it from inception. And I mean, realistically, you don't ever really want to go against the momentum. However, looking at the data, I can say that in this area in particular, we have clear rejection. And even as of recent, right, we have clear rejection for some reason. Now, what do I think this rejection represents? I think this rejection represents the fact that the dealer needs to induce sellers, right? He needs to get some sellers on board so that he can get some liquidity to actually then buy the market, right? And that move kind of looks like this here, where you would have the market in a bull market just go bearish all of a sudden, pretty much seemingly random. Here's what I think is important with this. When you have a rejection or constant rejection, even we want to say exhaustion to a high like this, obviously it's likely that it will sell off, and I'll tell you why. It wants the liquidity from the downside. So even though we are in a bull market, you could consider temporary sells, in my opinion, on Eurgbp. I mean, it's actually even selling right now, right? You could consider temporary sells on Eurgbp for the main reason that you know that it is an induction. You know that it's not going to sell forever, but you just want that little bit of liquidity to get a quick trade, right? I would not be surprised if Eurgbp can get here to grab some liquidity, maybe even further than that, but I don't think we're looking at all the way down here. Obviously, we don't have a trade just yet. We don't have specific rules. And in fact, I don't even think I'm going to give specific rules. This is just my belief on what I think it's going to do. You can then use that information coupled with your own to build out your own strategy. As we know, a strategy is much different to an analysis. This is an analysis. I just believe that it might sell based on what I'm seeing. I don't foresee buys. I don't think that it is wise to try to look for buys on this pair right now. I think sells might be the better way to go temporarily. Let me know what you think.